What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Back to Back Los in the building, and today we are coming with something completely new I have never done yet. We are doing a little installation video just on the headlight bulbs, because honestly, I've been through a million headlights on my car. I don't understand why they keep blowing. I don't get it. But I already been to AutoZone, so we ain't gotta worry about taking the time to drive all the way to AutoZone and go picking up the bulb and drive all that. We ain't gotta do none of that. Show y'all how to put them in and how to reach where you put the bulb in. I'm pretty sure everybody know how to do it, but I guess this is a little content, you know, something I can do to come on here and record for y'all and show y'all a little bit more about myself, because I don't really post a lot, which I should, but I'm in school too, so y'all gotta remember that. Maybe if I decide to record for like, what, another year, for maybe a straight year, 2 years in a row or whatnot, if I do all that, then maybe I blow up and I can do that full time. But now, like I said, it's just something I can record and give y'all something to look at. You know what I'm saying? Something new to YouTube. But I guess I can go ahead and start, and I hope y'all enjoy. I'll see y'all on the POV cam. All right, y'all, so my fault from earlier. What happened was the camera died. But yeah, I installed the oil catch can. I don't really know where I was at. Pin was literally stuck right here. Oil catch can, video. If y'all want a video on how to install the oil catch can, there was really no videos on my car specifically how to do it. And somebody
Hey yo, what the fuck?
My awareness skill is going crazy right now. But yeah, oil catch can in there, and yeah, intake, nothing new. Oh, also y'all, also hold on, y'all ain't, I gotta show y'all the sauce for real. My first real like slick mechanic install for real. Hold on, y'all finna be like, what the fuck did he just do now? I'ma show y'all. Watch this. Boom, nigga. Nah, I ain't shitting there yet. I want shit to be in my oil catch can so bad so I can empty that shit out. But yeah, I mean, I did the spark plugs and ignition coils, and I was gonna drop a video on that, but it didn't turn out too well. It didn't come out how I wanted. It was more like me wasting a lot of time. I was just recording a whole bunch of simple shit that made no sense. The simple fact that I was trying to pay too much attention to what was going on. Like, I was trying to pay too much attention on not fucking up, basically. Like, I didn't want to like over torque the spark plugs or like turn it the wrong way, because I know like once you do, it's over with. Make sure I got some oil. I should. It's burning my head. Bro, the jump was, bro, I swear, bro, I was lifting it up and everything I was putting. Check the oil real quick. You know, always check your oil every chance you get. Every single chance you get. Your oil is the brains and the life to your car. Don't ever forget that. I'm gonna pour that back up in a second. Just take a quick look around. Make sure everything looking good, everything out the way. And we are finna get started. The first thing we gonna do is find my fucking screwdriver. I just fucking had it. Yeah, here it go. But I had to go and get my charger for my camera, that's why. But yeah, so I can't really remember how to get to the light bulb, so y'all really is learning. Oh, it's right here, but not really. It's kind of tight. My hand a little too motherfucking fat to get to that. I could really pop this out, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna pop back into place. See, like, I be having to pay attention to stuff like this Cause I'll be make sure ain't nobody coming to get me. I don't want to take my car apart yet. But yeah, I do recommend everybody get a gun. Get a gun. The world is too crazy of a place for you not to have a gun. Ooh, look at that filter. Ew. And look, simple as that. So simple. So what you do is just you take out this little screw right here. For me at least, I had to just take out a little screwdriver, Phillips head screw, some simple shit, you know, ignore my ghetto zip ties, hanging my, you know. Yeah, y'all, my fender liner done been through some shit, seen some shit. All right, so next step is come up here, just gotta feel your hand around. And I'm guessing now it's my job to pull out the correct bulb. Yep, it is. Man. All right, so this is gonna take a second, y'all. I don't want to keep using the GoPro just because I keep having to be under here and trying to see different stuff. But so far, man, this is a tricky ass spot. Hold on. And if you skinny enough, you can pull the light bulb out. I had to really reach my hand up in there. Let me better show y'all from the other way, but basically, I can't show y'all no way. Let me see, hold on. Basically, if you don't know which one is your low beam, try to figure out which light is your low beam and then unplug it wherever the one that's shining from, basically. Like, it's not that hard. Just turn your low beams on, see what you're missing, find the little, you know, the little circle piece. Like, this is my issue. Whoever had this car before me, they put all this extra shit in. So now, all this shit is in the way. We're gonna take whatever the fuck this is, cause this is some adapter piece shit, and he had this beforehand. And we're gonna take out the light bulb. Sorry how I'm sitting, bro. We're gonna take out the brand new light bulb. If I can take out the brand new light bulb. Bam. Nothing too crazy. If y'all don't know, let me get some light. If y'all don't know, this is how a light bulb look. Some simple shit, you know. Light bulb. Again, if you ain't changed light bulbs before, I'm pretty sure, I'm telling y'all, bro, it's not that hard. It's not that hard. It's another little connector piece that look like this, that you're gonna just, this is how you change your light, just like this, just pop it into place. But that's not the piece. The piece that I gotta get is like up under the car somewhere. So hold on, give me a second, let me get to it. So now, the last part, it's only like 3 steps to this, 4 steps. Oh, also y'all, do not touch the light bulb, an actual light bulb piece with your hand. You will fuck up the bulb. I don't know who the fuck thought about that, but my dad tells me that every single time I change my light. Don't touch the light bulb. And I've seen it somewhere else too. So, I 100% believe him, but yeah, don't touch the light bulb. This is the little connector piece that it look, and just pop it. You literally see where it slide in at, right here. Just pop in like that. Dang, bruh. I ain't actually sweated outside in a long time, bruh. But y'all gotta also give me some new things to do on my YouTube channel. So that way I can give y'all new content and be y'all favorite YouTuber. When you get that, I don't know how to explain. I wish I could show y'all, man. This shit is annoying. I don't want to take this whole bumper off. But when you get it pushed up back in there, you make sure you just turn it. It should be some grooves you gotta lock into. You're not gonna feel it like lock into it, but when you turn it, you will feel it snug up. So that's the easiest way I can explain it at least. Dang, bro, this spot is all the way up here. I need this one though. Hold on, y'all. I'm going through some stuff now. Okay, y'all, I am damn near defeated, and I'm gonna cry because it will go. This bitch won't go in. So, cheat code. What I did was took this bottom piece, like the connector piece, I unhooked it and I tightened the oil. All right, y'all, it's just me editing the video right now, and honestly, I don't know what I was trying to say. Like, I was trying to say that I had unhooked the little connector piece and then just screwed the light into the little holder piece. Right now I'm at work, so that's why you hear keys. But yeah, I did it without using the cable first, and then once I got it in there, then I popped the cable back in, so that way, you know what I'm saying, it wasn't so many wires everywhere while I was trying to plug it up. But yeah, back to the video. And just like that, y'all, we done. All I had to do, well, I ain't gonna say all I had to do, because I've been out here for like, what, 30 minutes trying to plug up a damn headlight. The problem was I couldn't twist it. It wouldn't twist in the right place. So these are the grooves. And for this one, you see how this groove right here is like bigger than both of those? That's how the other one was, but it's like even bigger. I twisted it in the spot first, hooked up the harness. The harness piece ended up like being at the very bottom, like it's facing downward. So that way I just plugged it up. So if you feel it snug in there, and then on top of that, it like line up, like it's pointed downwards, the cable piece, the cable hookup piece, if that piece is pointed downwards, then your light is correctly put in. Let's go and finish up real quick, putting everything back together, so that way we don't forget nothing. When you're doing something on your car, always make sure you clean up. Like, make sure you clean up really good, because if you don't, you're gonna leave something where it ain't supposed to be, or you're gonna forget to do something and you're gonna regret it later. I promise you. Remember, we did unscrew this little piece right here, this little Phillip head, wherever the hell it went, right here. We did unscrew this. So basically we just screw that back, and there's some grooves right here on the top of the bumper. You just pop those back into place. Look, I'm gonna show you. And you just push it back on. Look. Hold on, wait. It's happening, but y'all can't hear it. Hold on, y'all hear this one for sure. There you go. Maybe I did it backwards. It's crazy where I know all the little connections are now. But I guess that come a part of working on your car after a while. Oh, and don't forget to move the fender back over that little piece as much as you can. If you can't, then oh well, but if you can, try to scoot it back over as much as you can under the little screwdriver, or under the screw, so that way it's supposed to hold the fender down, I guess, a little bit better. But it's up to you, do what you want. I feel like my phone keep going dark every time I'm trying to freaking talk. All right, y'all. Let's turn the lights on real quick. Let's see how she look. I know it's daytime, so I mean, I can't really tell for real, but oh yeah, it's on though. For sure it's on. One light blue and one light blue and one light white. Hold on, y'all, look at this, look, hold on. Well, y'all can't see. What the f am I doing? Stupid! How y'all gonna see that? But, I mean, on some chill shit, I guess, this is how you install it. It ain't too hard to do a headlight. To do a headlight is not too hard. If you need more help, go to the internet, go to AutoZone, go to who you need to go to. I know it's somebody that you can ask that can help you with a headlight. It's not rocket science, I promise you. Like, I didn't even know how to do a headlight, but I knew that I could figure it out. Damn, these damn leaves outside, bro. Have y'all ever been like standing outside and shit, and like you hear leaves, and then it's like, and you think somebody walking behind you? That should be freaking me the hell out. But I guess that's the end of that video. We gotta pick up the tools, pick up the trash, save the environment. Again, y'all, if y'all enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. And if y'all got any other things that I should do, I believe next, you see this chrome, I want all this chrome deleted, and I'm gonna have this piece white right here. It's gonna look so hard, I know it is. If y'all got any more suggestions on upgrades and videos and ideas, let me know. Don't be afraid to comment. I promise you, I'm gonna respond to every single comment. I respond to every comment every single time. Yeah, y'all, make sure y'all tune in to the next one. We gonna have a banger for y'all on the next video. Well, I'm gonna be recording another video in about 2 more days. I don't know when it's gonna drop. It might drop like early next week, hopefully I can drop it by Sunday. Make sure y'all stay tuned. This next video is gonna be a banger. Like, this probably gonna be like my best video. I don't really have a lot of videos, but I know for a fact that this next video this next video gonna be some fire shit. But until next time, thank y'all for watching. Peace.